first day on the little mini bike. It is fucking freezing outside, but I want to test out this little one finger, so we are going to do some driveway stunts. Oh, it's so much better. So much better. Sure, I got this bitch a long time ago. Right now, we're just gonna take a little break, but since it's Saturday, we might go to lots. I don't know, it just depends on how hot or cold it is today, but we will see, and we will be back. Alright, it's starting to snow, so we are going to do some driveway stunts for a few minutes, and then I guess we're gonna go in. God damn it, I wanted to stunt more. Fuck you, Vermont. That was better. Now if I can stay on the fucking bike. I'm getting closer. I think it was pretty good, huh? It really does. It's so much easier to like learn on than the big bike though, you know? Yeah. Oh, my hand is so tired. Alright. That's probably it for now. Love this one finger. This makes such a big difference. Highly recommend it. Alright. Till next time, guys. Stay safe.